What's up gamers, here's how to get the plate gloves of the Fallen Kingdom in Crimson Desert. Now this is a very cool unique armor piece you can get, even if you're still early in the game, since it gives you one level of the food effect buff and a passive buff that regenerates 0.2 points of health every second. To find this one, you gotta follow the river going west from the town of Hernand until you reach a waterfall at the end of it. After following the river and you're standing at the end of it by the falls, you gotta do a bit of climbing to reach our destination. Keep climbing up until you get to where I'm at right now. Then you stand close to the waterfall facing it and use the stab ability. This is shift right click on PC, R1 plus triangle on controller. Now pop up your lantern and travel through the cave until you reach its end. Inside you'll see a couple of chests and items. You can open them up for extra loot. Now for the plate gloves of the Fallen Kingdom, it's found inside the big glowing chest. Open it up and there you have it. Enjoy! If you found this video helpful, leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.